What's up? I'm gonna be making a matcha latte. Hot matcha latte. Let me adjust these wires for the recorder. Okay, I already got the matcha scoop out. Need the matcha whisk. Need a mug / my mixing bowl. What else we need? Need a pitcher. I'll use my medium-sized pitcher. And, of course, need the matcha as well. Water should already be hot. I'm just going to add 2 scoops of this. 1, 2, not too generous of scoops for a hot drink. About that amount. It's a good amount right there. Back in there. Let's go ahead and grab the milk as well. Fill that up right below the spout, just like you would any other latte, really. Up there is fine. Things are going to get a bit loud. I will start the steam on. Pour the hot water. Oh yeah, it's also a good habit to soak the whisk. Gonna put about 2 ounces in there. Not too much at all, really. That's more like 1.5 ounces. Maybe, no, that's more like an ounce. About 1 to 1.5 ounces. And then we'll whisk away. So I want to add more. I'll add just a bit more water to this. Just a little bit more. So I think this way so y'all won't hear the shenanigans over there. Great. I know it's super loud, but I definitely like warming up that steam on before getting started with the actual steaming process, because it just makes it perform 1,000 times better. I wasn't letting enough air in there at first, but now I am. Got a little bit of matcha on my hand. My oven over there has been preheated. That's what that noise was. I'm gonna let in a little bit more air. I'll be honest, I'm not frothing it the best right now. Give it a little bit more air. All I'm doing right here is texturing it. So I'm paying very close attention to the reflections that it's making in any micro bubbles that I see. And once I'm at a point where I'm happy, then I plunge it, and now you can really see the texture I created right there, which I would say is a near perfect latte texture. And of course, if you get espresso machines with better steam ones on it, you can establish that texture and heat up the milk and all that in a fraction of the time. Now for the best part. Latte art. Did my best. All those bubbles because of the matcha, it's really hard to control that. But you can smack the mug on the counter to try to mitigate the bubbles. Aside from the bubbles, the latte itself looks amazing. Color looks really good too. So I'll count that as a win. Anyway, thanks for watching as always. Try to get that thumbnail. And yeah, more soon.